and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. 30% rise in number of crore-patis contesting assembly election, rise from 41% in 2007 to 71% in 2012. Shantaram Naik alleges that BJP is cheating on its manifesto, says projects opposed by them part of their manifesto. First eyewitness accounts on Kalvi bus tragedy comes to the fore. 17-year-old youth who was on board when tragedy took place escaped successfully. Four workers injured in a blast at dredger boat in Western India shipyard. Many versions of the blast, some say crude bomb, some say Navy shell. India football team take on Oman in international friendly in Muscat. Coach Savya Madera rests Sunil Chetri, Lalrin Dinka Ralte and Nirmal Chetri. Trio have niggling injuries, says Savio. And Mallikarjun win Varsity Women's Cricket Championship. State player Bharti Gaonkar's all-round performance guides Kankan College to victory over St. Xavier's. Bharti wins Best Player Award. Now the news in detail. There is a 30% rise in the number of crore-patis contesting the forthcoming election. The Goa chapter of the National Election Watch has analysed 129 candidates out of 215. The analysis indicates that 92 crore-patis contesting the election. This is an increase from 41% in 2007 to 71% in 2012.
We have found that out of these 129 candidates, 92 candidates are crore-patis. So that means 71% of these candidates are crore-patis. In 2007, 41% of these candidates were crore-patis.
Starting with Shyam Satardekar of Congress from Kursharan. He is having total assets of 30 crores and he has filed income tax return for 2010-11 of 5 crores and 5 lakhs, 5.05. Followed by Govind Sawant, Nirmala Sawant, Joki Alemao, Subhash Faldesai, Churchill Alemao, Ganesh Gaonkar, Michael Lobo. Shyam Satardekar of Congress from Kursharan constituency has the highest income asset worth 25.30 crores. Followed by Joki Alemao of from 4.89 crores in 2007. Shyam Satardekar has gone to 30.2 crores, which means an increase of 25.3 crores. Then he is followed by Joki Alemao. His assets have increased from 9.12 crores to 31.26 crores, which means there is an increase of 22.13 crores. The Speaker of the erstwhile Assembly, Mr. Pratap Singh Rane of Congress, has an asset increase of 17.04 crores, which means he had filed the income tax returns of 8.82 crores in 2007. And now, for the 2012 elections, he has shown his assets as 25.87 crores. Highest percentage increase is for Alice Reginald Lawrence of Kurtoring. But I was just looking at the figures and the figures looked, his assets rose from 7 lakhs in 2007 to 1.16 crores in 2012.
Major parties, it seems like all the parties have given candidates to tickets to candidates who have declared criminal cases on them. Congress has given 9 out of 33 candidates that we have analyzed. BJP has also given to 9 such candidates out of 27. Trinamool Congress has given to 4 out of 18. NCP has given to 2. And independents, we were able to analyze 18, out of which 3 have these pending criminal cases. Of these 129 candidates, 30 candidates have declared that they have criminal cases against them, which comes to about 23%. If we compare it with 2007 elections, at that time there were 18% such candidates. So it does look like that there is a little bit of an increase in these type of candidates that have been given tickets by the political parties.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Spokesperson of the GPCC Shantaram Naik has alleged that BJP's manifesto is cheating the people of Goa. He informed that developmental works proposed by the Congress and objected to by the BJP are included in the BJP manifesto.
Shantaram Naik has alleged that BJP is cheating the people through its manifesto. Rajya Sabha MP says BJP has assured developmental works in their manifesto, which they opposed during the Congress regime. He also alleged BJP of attempting a backdoor entry for privatization by privatizing district hospital.
As far as mining is concerned, they oppose it tooth and nail, but in their manifesto, it only mentioned legal mining will be regulated. No word about illegal mining. They have said the administration of district hospital will be made autonomous. Now there is a very thin line between privatization and making an institution autonomous.
Shantaram Naik says minority schools are opposing some of the provisions of Right to Education Act. Some minority schools have given a memorandum to MP Naik. Naik said that he would take up the issue with union government.
Screening before admission, that is prohibited under the Act. Now they say, we would like to know whom we are admitting, and therefore screening is essential according to them.
Our reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Farari.
The first eyewitness account about Kalvi bus tragedy is out. Prudent caught up with the youth who escaped from this tragedy when the bus sunk into the river. He was in the bus when the mishap took place. We are speaking about Samarth Shirodkar, who saw his death and returned back to his life safe and sound. Here is a report.
Almost after 4 days, it is revealed that there were not 6 but 7 persons in the tragic bus incident at Kalvi. Prudent caught up with the only survivor from the tragedy. He is Samar Shirodkar, age 17, resident of Nachnala. Here he shares his experience.
उदकान गेला फुडें हांव म्हाका आनी फुडलें कांय दिसोंक ना आख्खें दोयार काळो गेलो तेन्ना हांवें जनेलाक हात घातलो उदीक सारकी चिकलाक बस लागली तेन्ना हांव जनेलासून कळो लोटून उदकाचो लोड मारता तेन्ना हांव भायर सरलो जनेलासून.
आनी ती बायलां सामकी तेंच्यांनी कितें केलें?
तेंच्यांनी म्हाका आनी कांय जालें सब करून सारकें उदीक भरलें बसीन जनेल सगळें पॅक जालें आनी ती बायल केन्ना केन्ना पांयां इतलें उदीक जालां तेन्ना ती बायल सारकी फाटल्यान धांवली उदीक भरना फुडें. भुरगीं थंय बसोनूच आसली सिटाचेर तिंकां कांय कळोंक ना उदीक भरला बस देंवता ती पूण तो ड्रायव्हरान ब्रेक मारपाचो तो प्रयत्न करतालो उबो रावन पासून ताणें ब्रेक मारलो.
तुमी मागीर
म्हाका ताणें पळोवन घेवंक ना तो पयलो वयर सरला मागीर हांव भायर सरलो तो दिसोकूच ना न्ही म्हाका.
When questioned about the conductor of bus, he confirmed that conductor was not in the bus when bus got plunged into the water.
विष्णू हरमलकर तो आयल्यान देंवल्लो उदकाच्यो बाटल्यो कितें करपाक गॅरेजी कडेन ते गॅरेज आहा थंय तो देंवलो तेन्ना हांव फाटल्या सिटा कडेन फर्स्ट सिटा कडेन उबो आसलो फुडें घेतलो आनी लोकांक देंवयतलो म्हूण आतां दारू घडटलो आनी
तूं ते बसीर कित्याक गेल्लो?
म्हणजे हांव बेश्टो हांव नाशण्याक चडलेलो हांव बेश्टो रावणाक म्हणून वयतालो बसीर.
Sources say that police traced Samarth on same night of the incident. Sources say that police received information from a girl student who was a regular passenger in the bus. She informed police that she had seen a 17-year-old boy moving from the accident spot. Meanwhile, the first report of Transport Department is ready. Report says that there were no brake failures or mechanical fault in the bus. After suo motu cognizance by the High Court about traffic management system of the state, Transport Department has filed 63 cases against buses for non-operational off-hand brakes.
So prima facie what the motor vehicle inspector has observed is that the accident was not due to mechanical failure.
Our reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte and Devidas Kamli for Prudent Media.
4 workers were injured in a blast in dredger boat at Western India shipyard at harbour in Murgaon. There are various versions about this blast. Some say the blast took place when the workers were busy welding, whereas some of the sources claim that the blast was of a crude bomb. Some even say that the object was recovered by the dredger off Karwar coast and it can be Navy's firing shell.
A blast took place in a dredger boat at Western India shipyard in Murgaon Harbour. The dredger boat is under repair from last 4 months. It belongs to Government of India. 4 workers, Rajesh Gupta, Raju Gaud, Ram Chauhan and Pradeep Gupta, got injured in a blast and were shifted to a private hospital in Chikli. 2 are seriously injured. Some of the sources claim that the blast took place when the workers were busy welding. However, some suspect a crude bomb blast. A reporter from Murgaon, Surendra Madkaikar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.